What's up guys, just want to make an official announcement that I no longer give a shit about this truck anymore. I'm going to be trying to break it over the next couple weeks. I tried to do that today and I ended up having to stop because the tires are coming unglued, but it actually held up okay. No changes since the last video aside from I drilled some holes in the piston, shock pistons, to give it less dampening. Suspension works better now. I'm trying to break it so I can justify buying a Losi Baja Ray because that does exactly what I wish this truck could do. But I'm having a hard time coming to terms with spending that much on a truck. I'm still gonna keep this truck around. I'm gonna build it up, do weirder stuff to it, and keep making videos of it. But it's gonna be nice to have a reliable truck to actually drive rather than fix all the time. Anyway, short video today, but thanks for watching.